Discover the Misio Garden Hose, your perfect outdoor companion. Crafted with natural latex and reinforced with 1100D polyester webbing, it offers unmatched durability. This lightweight and portable hose expands up to 30 meters or 100 feet, then effortlessly retracts for easy storage. The versatile 7-function spray gun makes watering, cleaning, and gardening a breeze, flexible, kink-free, designed for your convenience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Greenera hose reel, your perfect gardening companion. With a 14-meter hose and an adjustable nozzle gun offering 8 different spray modes, it handles all your watering needs with ease. Lightweight and portable, it measures just 26 centimeters long, 16 wide, and 30 centimeters high, featuring a convenient carrying handle. Equipped with 2-size faucet connectors, it's suitable for garden, car wash, pet shower, and more. Easy to rewind and store, it transforms gardening into breeze. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Hozelock Cart, your perfect gardening companion. This cart comes ready assembled, so you can start your outdoor projects right away. It is robust and durable, built to last season after season. Say goodbye to hose kinking and tangling, which helps extend the life of your hose. Make your gardening chores easier and more efficient with the Hozelock Cart. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the KETTOYA Garden Hose, your perfect watering companion. Its upgraded 10-function spray nozzle makes task your own with options for house, car, yard, or pet cleaning. The incredible 3x expanding design reaches up to 100 feet, then shrinks back to 33 feet for easy storage. Crafted with durable, high-quality materials, it resists cracking and leaks, ensuring long-lasting use. Lightweight, kink-free, and simple to handle, making gardening more fun. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the BABADU Garden Hose, your ultimate watering partner. This 100-foot expanding hose is made from durable latex and 600 polyester webbing, preventing leaks and bursting for a long-lasting performance. It easily expands up to 3 times its size and retracts for simple storage. The 7-function spray gun is perfect for gardening, washing cars, or cleaning windows. Its kink-free design ensures tangle-free use every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy and reliable way to connect your garden hose? Check out the Hozelock Hose Connector. It features twin soft touch pads that make it simple to use even when wet, ensuring a firm grip every time. The flexible hose tail reduces stress at the connection, helping you avoid leaks and damage. With Quick Connect technology, attaching and detaching is fast, simple, and secure. Make your watering process hassle-free with the Hozelock Hose Connector. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to keep your garden watered? Check out the Hozelock Hose Reel, featuring 25 meters of versatile garden hose, a threaded tap connector, hose end connectors, and a handy nozzle. Its enclosed casing offers extra protection from the elements, while the large winding handle makes manual rewinding smooth and simple. Say goodbye to tangled hoses and hello to effortless watering. Whether you have a small yard or a big garden, this hose reel is your perfect gardening partner. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.